Ready to unlock the full potential of your Canon EOS R100 and capture incredible photos? The first step is learning how to properly attach your lens. First, grab your Canon EOS R100 camera body and the lens you want to attach. Make sure both are clean and free from dust. Now, find the red dot, or sometimes a white square, on the lens mount of your camera. This is your alignment marker. Locate the corresponding red dot, or white square, on the back of your lens. Carefully align the red dot on the lens with the red dot on the camera body. Gently push the lens towards the camera body and then rotate it clockwise until you hear a click. This click indicates that the lens is securely locked into place. Important, never force the lens if it doesn't easily turn. Double check that the red dots are properly aligned to detach the lens later. Press and hold the lens release button while twisting the lens counterclockwise. Congratulations, your lens is now properly attached. You're ready to start exploring the world of photography with your Canon EOS R100. With your lens securely mounted, the possibilities are endless. Get out there, experiment with different lenses, and capture stunning images. Don't forget to subscribe for more camera tips and tricks. Happy shooting!